How to fix Zelle false error on Navy Federal. You encounter a false error while using Zelle with Navy Federal. It is possible that there is an issue with your account or the app. To troubleshoot and resolve this issue, you can attempt the following steps. 1. Verify that you possess a Navy Federal account and have successfully enrolled in the Zelle service. Enrollment can be done through the Navy Federal app or by visiting their website. 2. Close the Zelle app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes closing and relaunching the app can resolve temporary issues. 3. Ensure that your account is in good standing and has sufficient funds to complete the transaction you are attempting. 4. Check for any known outages or service disruptions with Zelle or Navy Federal. You can visit the Zelle website or reach out to Navy Federal's customer support for updates on any ongoing issues. 5. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling the Zelle app from your device and then reinstalling it. This step can help resolve app-related issues that might be causing the false error. Remember, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it is advisable to reach out to Navy Federal's customer support for further assistance in diagnosing and resolving the false error you are experiencing.